We have Camaro 21 today, and we're gonna do an exhaust, dual exhaust, quad tip, MBRP. We need to require first tool. So we need to cut the exhaust because it needs to be cut anyway. And we do it today here in the driveway because we're working on this Ram right here. Cannot move because the motor's not running. Yeah, we're gonna cut this here right after the cross member right here. Right here. Está bien. Yeah. Right, we're finished installing the exhaust. Axle bag is black with a black tip. It's a MBRP exhaust, and I love it. It sounds like a small V8 instead of V6, but I like the way it came out. I like it. All black.